How to install Saily eSIM on iPhone. Saily eSIM is a company that provides eSIM services, allowing travelers to buy and use mobile data plans in over 200 countries without needing a physical SIM card. Their service is data-only and avoid roaming charges. First, download Saily eSIM application from Google Play Store or App Store. Open the Saily app and press Install eSIM. Tap Install eSIM once more. You will receive a prompt. Tap Continue. You may need to wait a few minutes. After the setup is complete, you should see a screen like this. Press Done. Follow the on-screen instructions on your iPhone. Return to the Saily app. You will receive a notification confirming that the eSIM has been installed. That's it. Thanks for watching.